And what is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another Java programming project. This project I am going to cover the new game that I created, which is Craps. If you don't know what Craps is, it's a table game that you can play at the casino. It is also one of the highest payouts, if not the highest payout a casino gives. I fell in love with this game and wanted to see if I could build it myself and potentially even automate it to see what the best outcomes are. Let's roll right into it. As I boot up the project, we are met with a blank menu. My plan is to build out this menu to incorporate other casino games as well, but that will be for future projects. If we click the play button, we will be met with this intimidating Craps board screen. There's a lot that can go on in Craps, so it may get confusing and overwhelming for new players. We can first start out by clicking this help button and hovering over anywhere on the Craps board. As you can see, when we hover over the field's numbers, it will give us a description as well as the winning numbers for the section of the Craps board. This helps the players and myself know how this game works. The player can then click anywhere to get out of the help mode. Next, we have our chips. Right now, we just have these values, but more can be implemented at any time. We can select the chips and it will follow our mouse. Then we will select where we want to place the chips. Let's place it on the fields section. After we place the chips, we can see the winning numbers at the bottom of the screen have lit up to our lucky numbers we need to win. This helps us know that we will win money off of 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, or 12. If we hover over the field area, it will tell us how much money we have invested in this area of the game. We can also see our total money, money on the table, and money earned from the last roll at the top left of the screen. If the user wants to move or remove the chip, they can simply right-click it and the player will get the cash back. The payout odds for the field's numbers are a 1-to-1 or a 2-to-1 if you get a 2 or 12. Let's run through our first roll. We can place money down and press the roll button. We can see in two different areas what the roll was. The first being above the roll button and the next in the roll history. We can see the number rolled along with which exact dice was rolled. To the left of the roll history, it tells us how much money we won from the roll. Right now, we won, but on this next roll, we lost. On the left side of the screen, we also see the on marker. When the game is in session, this marker will be on the board. For example, we can bet the pass line to put this marker to use. If we roll a 9, the marker will be on the 9 spot. In order for the game to end, we will roll the dice until we either get a 9 or a 7. Landing a 7 will end the game no matter what. Betting on the pass line, we cannot cancel our bet like we can in the other spots. If the marker is off the board, then our winning numbers are 7 or 11 with the pass line. Once the marker is on the board, our winning number is whatever the marker is set to. The beauty of Craps is you can keep winning money only until you get a 7, depending on how you play. Let's do another example. At the top, we can bet on 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. We can place chips on these numbers, betting that we will land on these numbers. When we do, we will get paid each time that the dice lands on these numbers. Since we now know how to play the top numbers, we can use the come box to continue betting. Once the marker is on, we can place money in the come box for the next roll. Upon the roll, our chips get transferred over to the number if it is displayed on the board. If the number is a 7 or an 11, we win. However, if the number is a 2, 3, or 12, we will lose this bet. Another quick and easy way to play is by betting the hard ways. We will win a large amount of money if the dice lands a certain way. If we put money on the 3 hard way, we would have to get a 3 on dice 1 and a 3 on dice 2. if a 3 appears on one of the dice and not the other, or we get a 7, we lose the money. I implemented a counter here to showcase when the last time one of these numbers have been landed on. Overall, I hope you enjoyed this project. In the future, I plan to set up a database connection so the users can log in and save their progress. I also plan to automate this game so I can collect data on it. Don't forget to post any comments, questions, or ideas in the comments section below. I always enjoy hearing feedback. The code in the project can be found on my website neha.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding projects. You don't want to miss out on any of these innovative projects. And as always, thanks for watching.